a Republican majority in the Senate,
right,
so that we don't end up giving Joe Biden a blank check.
I want you to hear it. One of those people, Governor Haley Barbour, one of those people is Lynn Wood. Listen to this lawyer for the president. Listen.
If Kelly Loeffler wants your vote, if David Perdue wants your vote, they've got to earn it. They've got to demand publicly, repeatedly, consistently, Brian Kemp call a special session of the Georgia legislature, and if they do not do it, if Kelly Loeffler and David Perdue do not do it, they have not earned your vote. Don't you give it to them. Why would you go back and vote in another rigged election? For God's sake, fix it.
How did you almost faint when you heard that?
I almost puked. The idea that because this guy is being flashy about himself, is that we ought to give the country to the left. And what we know is going to happen. You know, Brian, when I talk to you about D.C. statehood, Puerto Rican statehood, back to the Supreme Court, the Democrats have said this. They've said this. Chuck Schumer has said, after Georgia, we are going to change the country, change the course of the country. And for that guy to say, well, the last election wasn't right, and blah, 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 I don't know whether he's right or wrong. But I do know there's an election we can do something about that has the highest stakes for the country. And that's why I'm down here trying to help. I'm from Mississippi. I'm not from here.
I know.
But we need everybody to vote, and everybody that voted January 3rd to vote for Kelly and David. These people have extremely good records as senators. They might not have said everything that man once said, but they have been supported. They have been supported.
And plus, the senators don't make the rules when it comes to voting. Here's Doug Collins, congressman from Georgia, who wanted to be the next senator. He thinks, Stacey, these three outside groups that are being investigated, this is going to be the key. Cut 7.
We need to make sure that our elections offices and our Secretary of State are making sure these are fair elections. But I also have to say, Martha, while we're doing this, people cannot give up on this system, because right now we've got to turn our voters back out. Now, if Stacey Abrams has never conceded the governor's race, I don't know if I can call her a former governor, but here's the problem that she had. She worked actually trying to weaken these senators. She actually got into the consent decree that was signed by the state of Georgia, into this thing that actually weakened this. But also they actually went out and encouraged their voters to use the absentee ballot system to make it work. That's what we saw in here. So for Republicans, it's time for us to also get back out and make sure that every voter that we have gets out to vote.
And you guys got to monitor these elections. And these three outside groups who are soliciting people from the outside and messing with the system. This Secretary of State was asleep at the switch on November 3rd. Are you going to make sure, Governor, he's not asleep again?
Well, the thing I'm going to try to make sure of is every single person that voted for Donald Trump vote for Kelly Loeffler and David Perdue. Every single one. God bless Congressman Collins. He's trying to tell people that don't, you know, he's a guy that finished third, finished out of the money. I can't imagine how disappointed he is.
Just barely.
Yeah, that's right. He's a serious guy. He did a great job in the impeachment hearings. And his heart's in this, and he's telling people the truth. Vote in this election. The best way to help Warnock and Ossoff win is for our people to not vote. That's crazy. That's crazy. And so I'm down here working with everybody.
Paul Rove and everybody else.
That's right, to make sure our people understand the stakes. Do not give Nancy Pelosi and Chuck Schumer and AOC and Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren and Joe Biden, do not give them a blank check, because that's exactly what they'll have if we lose these two races.
So Governor, I look at these two candidates, and it's not like they're even close. I mean, you have John Ossoff, who's a documentarian with no experience, who just copies the cadence of Barack Obama and his words. And then you have Reverend Warnock, might be a nice guy, but he's anti-gun. He's for the New Green Deal. He says you can't worship God and go into the military.